Hey guys, I want to show you Samsung ceramic inside microwave. I love this microwave. So you can cook so many things with this microwave. Power defrost, my plate, vegetable and grapes, poultry and fish. Just need to press it here. Once you press it, if you want to decrease it, then you press the other side. If you want to increase the time, you turn this nozzle to the right or turn it to the left to reduce it. You can see it's going up. I like the size. Highly recommended. And they have the buttons on this side as well for you to select what you want. This is Samsung ceramic inside microwave. It deserves your attention. Thank you.